Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Sony Bravia supports screen mirroring or has Chromecast built-in. This matters because method options differ. Next, put both devices on the same Wi-Fi network, ideally the same band, so discovery and latency stay low. On the TV, open Settings, go to Network or Display, and enable Screen Mirroring or Cast. Once done, keep that screen visible while you move to the sending device to initiate the connection. Now, on your sending device, locate the Cast or Screen Share function. On Android, use Quick Settings or Google Home. On iPhone, use AirPlay when the TV advertises support. On Windows, choose Project, then connect to a wireless display, and on Mac OS, open the AirPlay menu. Select the Sony Bravia name. You may see a PIN show on TV. Enter it on your device. Make sure to pick Mirror Screen or Cast tab, depending on whether you want full display or just video content. Finally, confirm audio routes correctly on the TV and adjust aspect ratio to fit the screen. When finished, stop casting from the source to disconnect cleanly. If you notice lag, move devices closer to the router, switch to the less congested band, or reduce streaming quality for smoother playback. If the connection never succeeds, reboot your router, the Bravia, and the sending device. Then check for firmware and app updates. This fixes most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.